CPR, or cardiopulmonary resuscitation, is a life-saving technique used when someone's heart or breathing has stopped. First, check if the person is responsive. If unresponsive, quickly check for breathing and pulse. If there is no breathing or pulse, begin chest compressions immediately. Place the heel of one hand in the center of the chest, place the other hand on top, and keep your arms straight. Push hard and fast, at a rate of about 100 to 120 compressions per minute. Each compression should be at least 5 centimeters or 2 inches deep. After every 30 compressions, give 2 rescue breaths if you are trained and able. Continue CPR until medical help arrives or the person starts breathing again. Learning CPR can save lives. Thank you for watching. CPR is a simple skill that can save lives, and everyone should learn it. For more medical knowledge and awareness, subscribe to Anesthesia with Baba. Together, we can make a difference.